Rebuilding trust after betrayal in marriage. Trust is the foundation of any healthy relationship, and in marriage, it is even more crucial. When trust is broken through betrayal, whether it be infidelity, dishonesty, or any form of deception, the effects can be devastating, leaving both partners emotionally scarred and uncertain about the future of their relationship. However, while rebuilding trust after betrayal in marriage is challenging, it is not impossible. With commitment, patience, and clear communication, couples can move past the hurt and re-establish a foundation of trust. Here, we'll explore key steps in the process of rebuilding trust, the importance of honesty, and strategies to foster a deeper connection despite the pain. Acknowledging the betrayal and taking responsibility. The first step toward rebuilding trust is for the partner who committed the betrayal to fully acknowledge their actions. This means not just admitting to the betrayal but also taking responsibility for the hurt they caused. Often, the betrayed partner feels a need to understand why the betrayal happened and what factors led to it. Transparency is essential in this phase, as avoiding difficult conversations or withholding information can lead to further distrust. The unfaithful partner must be honest, even if it means admitting to uncomfortable truths, as this honesty lays the groundwork for genuine healing. Acknowledgement goes beyond simply apologizing. It involves empathizing with the betrayed partner's pain and understanding the depth of their suffering. This empathy can create a sense of validation for the hurt partner, allowing them to feel seen and heard. The process is painful for both parties, as it requires revisiting the incident and discussing uncomfortable feelings. Yet, it is crucial for moving forward, as genuine healing requires both partners to face the reality of what happened and its impact on their relationship. Commitment to transparency and open communication. For trust to be rebuilt, both partners must commit to open and transparent communication. This includes being honest about feelings, intentions, and actions. For the partner who was betrayed, having open access to information, such as social media, phone records, or any other channels where trust might have been breached, can offer reassurance. While it may seem invasive, this transparency can provide the betrayed partner with a sense of security, as it shows that their spouse is willing to do whatever it takes to restore trust. However, transparency must be balanced with boundaries to prevent a sense of constant surveillance, which can be exhausting and counterproductive for both partners. Couples should establish clear agreements about what transparency means for them. Regular, honest communication, whether through daily check-ins or by working with a therapist, helps each partner understand where the other stands, especially during difficult or triggering moments. Consistent, honest communication can slowly build a sense of stability that begins to replace suspicion and anxiety. Rebuilding emotional intimacy. Trust is closely tied to emotional intimacy, and in the aftermath of betrayal, it can feel as though this intimacy has been shattered. To rebuild it, couples must invest time and effort in reconnecting with each other emotionally. This can be achieved by engaging in activities that foster closeness, such as spending quality time together, practicing active listening, and sharing personal thoughts and feelings. By slowly rebuilding emotional intimacy, both partners can rediscover the bond that initially brought them together. Professional counseling or therapy can be incredibly valuable at this stage. A therapist can provide guidance, helping couples to express their feelings in a constructive way and facilitating conversations that might otherwise be too difficult to handle alone. Therapy offers a safe space to explore underlying issues and can be especially helpful for those struggling with forgiveness. While forgiving is a personal process that may take time, therapy can support couples in understanding the steps toward forgiveness, which is essential for moving forward. Cultivating patience and understanding. Rebuilding trust is not a quick fix, it is a gradual, often slow journey that requires patience from both partners. The betrayed partner may experience triggers that bring back painful memories, and it is crucial for the unfaithful partner to be understanding and supportive during these moments. Acknowledging that healing takes time can relieve pressure on both parties, allowing them to progress at a pace that feels manageable. For some couples, setting small milestones or goals can be helpful. Celebrating little victories, such as a week without arguments about the betrayal or a moment of shared joy, can reinforce their commitment to healing. Rebuilding trust in a marriage is a journey, and each step, no matter how small, is progress. Conclusion. Rebuilding trust after betrayal in marriage is challenging but achievable. It requires commitment, open communication, emotional intimacy, and patience. both partners must be willing to put in the work, acknowledging that healing is a process that takes time. Through empathy, honesty, and a shared commitment to growth, couples can navigate the difficult path toward renewed trust and create a relationship that is even stronger than before.